So here's a quick one. If at all you want to duplicate a page or a blog post on your WordPress website and you can't find a way to do that, I will show you how you can duplicate them in this video. Now, by default, if I go to pages, now right here, you can see there is no option to duplicate your pages. Neither is there any option to duplicate your blog post. Now, to be able to duplicate your pages or your blog post, here's what you do. Head over to plugins, click on add plugin, and then we're going to search for this plugin named duplicate page. Now this right here is the plugin. Click on install and activate. Now that you've done this, head over to pages, and now you can see we have this option to duplicate this. Now if I click on duplicate this, now you can see this blog page has now been duplicated. Now to duplicate your blog post as well, just head over to blog posts, and right here you can see we also have the same option which says duplicate this. So you just have to click, and now you can see that this particular blog post has been duplicated. So that is how you duplicate pages and blog posts on your WordPress website. If this video has been helpful, please get subscribed and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.